This is the Casio quartz watch, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the links in order to make the watch fit. So I was asked to help out and get this watch to a better fit. I know I got to remove 2 links. Before we do that, let's see what we're going to need. So we're going to use this tool right here. We may need this one as well. We'll see. We have this one. Okay, but I have a different tool here. It's this particular tool, because if you look, we're looking at our links right here. See these arrows? This is where we want to remove them from. So these arrows represent that you push down in here and you're going to be able to remove that part out. So we're going to use this tool in order to achieve that. So first thing we want to do is we want to undo the bracelet so it can be easier for us to work and get those links out. So this is our first tool that we're going to use, and we're just going to locate where to remove this link. So what we're going to do is going to push down on here, and that releases that part. You can just turn it around over here and release the other side. Okay, once we do that, we have successfully released the band, and you just want to make sure that you put this in a safe place, because we want to put it back the same way we found it. So let's put this to the side. All right, now we're ready to work on our watch and get these 2. We're going to remove 2. Locate the arrows so you can see them clearly now that the arrows are right there. And so in order to remove the link, we want to use a tool like this to push down on this little button here next to the arrow. But something I like to do is to cover it up so that we don't scratch or damage anything. So we're just going to cover it up with a little piece of cloth here. It's a cleaning cloth, and we just find our little spot here. Make sure we're in the right spot, and then we're going to slowly push in. And now we can see that our link has come out. Now you can just remove it with your finger, but I have another tool just in case it gets stuck like that. So we have this other tool here that we can use to grab onto it. Okay, so there it is. Let's put that to the side. So now we're going to reach in here and pull this one out. Same process, we're going to cover it up, find our spot, and then we're just going to pull out our link. Okay, now we have successfully removed that second part. Now all we need to do is we're going to save these in case you need them for another time. I'm going to put these to the side, and then we're just going to reconnect the watch band like this. And all we need to do is get that link back on here. And the way we do this, we're just going to insert the pin one more time. Same way we got it out, we're going to put it in one more time, and then we're just going to use our fingers just to get it in there nice and snug. Okay, shouldn't be too terrible for you. You can do this with your finger. Okay, so you heard it click. Okay, now we have successfully resized our watch, and now it's just a matter of putting the spring back on, which shouldn't be too difficult at all. All we're going to do is get our spring bar back in there. I want to bring this back. Okay, and we're just going to put it in the same way we had it. Okay, we can use the same tool that we used to remove the links to put the spring bar back on. We'll use this side. Alright, so there we go. Watch has now been resized, and if we need to make some incremental adjustments, we can adjust this part if we need to, so we don't have to remove links, but otherwise it should be good to go. Okay, we'll take it from there. Thanks for checking this out.